Hello and welcome to Learning Python series. Today we are going to learn how to write simple functions in Python. Let's start. We'll create one Python file. In Python, function starts with def. Then we write function name like this. You have to give colon. Then here you will write your function body. Correct? Your function code. So this is the syntax. And let's say if I have something here, print my function called. Okay, so this is how you write function. And if you want to call this function, then you will call like this. You cannot call this function before the definition. It will give error. So here I'm going to call this function. Let's run this. Yeah, my function is called. So this is how typical Python function. It starts with keyword def and function name. And then if you have parameters, then you can pass here. Now let's write a function with arguments. Let's say I'm passing one name, and here I'm supposed to pass something. So you can see again, you don't need to write data type here. If I run this, then you will see hello Jordo. So yeah, you can have multiple parameters like this. I can concatenate. Yeah, so I need to typecast here. Yeah. All right. So this is how you can have multiple parameters. What if you don't know the number of arguments? So in that case, what you can do is you can just simply pass star. So you can have any number of parameter in that case, and you can access those variables like this and so on. So this is how you can pass variable number of arguments. If you know about named arguments or keyword arguments, then that is also possible. So if I have something like this, name, age, then what I can do is, yeah, so here I can pass like this, name equal to age equal to. So here will be name, here will be age. Okay, so you need to give two blank lines. Yeah. So this is about name parameter. So if you are passing multiple parameters and if you have multiple arguments in parameter, then what you can do is you can use two stars here, double star, and then you can access name as, yeah. So you can access it like using key. Whatever name you are passing here, you can use this, and this is how you can access that variable. So double star, if you are passing name. So this is like key value. It's like dictionary. You get here in parameters. Then you use name to access that variable. So sometimes what happens is we need default name parameter. So for example, here using. So here I have name, age, okay, and the name. Yeah. So here if I want to print city, so it will be default Pune, but I can override that behavior like this. Yeah, so you can see default parameter overridden. Now, if you want to return something from Python, or like in this case, suppose, let's say if I write something like this, output equal to my function, and then I'm going to print output. And instead of printing here, I'm going to form string here, x equal to, yeah. All right. So you don't need to write anything here. You don't need to write return data type. Just run. Yeah, I forgot to remove this. Yeah. So yeah, output is same, but here now we are returning some value from my function. And last is if you don't want to write anything, then you can simply write pass so that you don't. So in case if you think that you are going to write code after some time, then you can write pass. Python also supports recursion. And if you want to learn about recursion, then if you remember our last program, if we take some input from user, or let's say if I have number x10, and if I want to, let's say, calculate factorial, Yeah, so as I mentioned, so number is factorial of number is number star, and if number is equal to 0 or number is equal to 1, then return 1. Okay, so if I have this code and if I try to print use this, yeah, so you can see, so this is how the recursion is supported by Python. Same code, just x variable is removed. This is how you can use recursion in function. So this is about functions. Thanks for watching my video. In next video, we are going to learn about how to create classes, how to write object-oriented, how to write programs, object-oriented programs in Python. Thanks for watching my videos.